Good morning friends, I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Today friends, I am going to show you how to maintain your plants in this rainy season. This is a heavy shower, every day it is raining and your pots are in the open terrace, lots of pots are there and you have to care and maintain all the lawn plants, all the terrace plants, all the pot plants, all the clearing all the tips and all, and just keep on watching. I am showing you some of the tips how can you care the plants in this rainy season. Tip number 1, you have to decant all the water that are here stored in the water. These are the, you can see these plants are dying, almost dying. These are all heavy water and they are blockage, and just you decant all this water from the pot. Wherever you see the water is stored in the pots, you just decant water here. This is the point number 1. Point number 2, you just cannot keep this all this aloe vera type of plant or succulent plants. This is another succulent plant. These are another kalanchoe succulent plants. Don't keep in open terrace that rains comes. So this is the point number 2. Just or adenium or succulent plants or cacti, don't keep or mealy, this kind of plants don't keep in open terrace. So you just keep a shade and keep them plant in the rainy season. This is the point number 2. And the point number 3, you just check it out whether there is a hole at the bottom or not. This is the block, totally blocked. This is the hole and totally blocked. Just remove this from the roots from here and just open the root from here. Here, cut off all the roots from here that is coming down, and just with a screwdriver make a hole, proper hole here, so that all the water can be drained out from this bottom. So this is the point number 3. Just you have to remove and keep it all, screw it here so that the hole again can be viable. So this is the all, and just see you have to make hole here so that all the plants can be, and this is here I am showing you. This is the difference between, this is the here, you can see all the water is locked here and the plant is dying, and this is the all plants, this is dry, all the proper water drainage is here, drainage is proper here, but here the drainage blockaged. So this is the point number 3. You just keep the drainage all proper. So friends, for the rainy season, just make a shade, this kind of shade. These are white polythene, these are transparent polythene, so that the sunlight can come in, but rainwater doesn't come in there. And this is the, I am removing here, and these are all the adenium. So adenium or cacti, these types of plants you must keep inside all this shaded house. And you just keep all these type of plants in shaded house. Otherwise, with a heavy water, the succulents, all the cacti, all these are plants should be kept in the shaded area. This is the point number 4. Just make a shade and keep the plants there. So friends, tip number 5. So if you are at all, you have to keep these plants. These are Euphorbia mealy or cacti or adenium type of plants. You have lots of, and you don't have any shade there. So if you are keeping it on open terrace, you just use any fungicide, this SAP or Babistin or Bitox, any kind of contact fungicide or broad spectrum fungicide you just use. And I have mixed it here, 2 gram per liter. 2 gram per liter just mix here and just spray once in a week. Once in a week, you just apply this fungicide once in a week. So that will be enough for keeping all the plant. Otherwise, this will be a condition. These are rotten with fungal attack. These are fungal attack. These are all rotten. So you have to, what you have to do is to just spray it. You have to just spray it. These are all fungal attack here. And for the protection from the fungal attack, you have to spray this kind of here. You have to spray every once in a week. Just apply fungicide, any kind of fungicide, broad spectrum fungicide or contact fungicide. You just spray here once in a week. You have to spray, otherwise the plant may die or the excess water and fungus will attack, and you have to spray it. So this is the point number 5. Just spray, especially on the succulent plants, cacti plants and adenium. You just spray fungicide 2 ml per liter once in a week. So friends, point number 6, please don't use any sort of organic fertilizer or chemical fertilizer in these plants in rainy season. If these plants are in open place terrace, you don't use any chemical or any organic fertilizer to any of the plants. These are the epomia, some of the pomegranate, some are agave, lots of plants are there. These are all in open terrace. So don't use any kind of organic or inorganic fertilizer, chemical fertilizer, because plants are in such a situation, these are all watery, all are damp, all. So they cannot uptake any kind of fertilizer. If you add fertilizer in these plants in open terrace, so plants may die. So if you at all want to use any fertilizer, you have to keep the plants under shade. Then you can use any very small amount of fertilizer you can use if these plants are under shade. If these plants are in open place, don't use any fertilizer in open land or garden or in the terrace, open terrace, all the pots, don't use any kind of fertilizer. In all these up to September, all the rainy days, don't use any kind of fertilizer. So friends, if you are using any kind of insecticide or pesticide, say for I am using here theta. So just using theta here, just add theta according to your dose, 1 ml per liter sufficient, and add 8 to 10 drops of this trigger. This is the commercial level living agrochemical, and 12 rupees 12 only, and 10 gram. And if you use 8 to 10 drops only in here, I am adding 8 to 10 drops here only, and just shake it well properly, and then spray on the foliar or stem anywhere, and all this insecticide, pesticide will be stick there. And just see, I am showing you how they are sticking. If you spray there, you are spraying these plants, and the water is not touched here. All this water are stored here. All this water not touched is there. And if it washed away, all the insecticide will be washed away. If the rain comes, heavy showers comes, all the insecticide will be washed away. So I advise you to use some gum in pesticide or mix. These are gums are available in the market, not very costly, very cheap. And if you at all add 7 to 8 drops of gums in this and use, and all the pesticide will be stick on the leaves and the stems and all, and they will not be washed away. So this is the point number 7. Just use any kind of gum. These are available in the commercial in the market, and I am showing you the things. Just use that, and you can see all the action will be there for 7 to 8 days pesticide. So friends, these are just 7 tips I have done here. All are given the 7 tips for the rainy season. Just do it and follow these instructions. 7 tips, just follow this, and your plant will be healthy and good, and plant will not die. So hope you enjoyed the video. You could understand all the points of from this today's video, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to share, please share with your near and ones. And if you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you lots about the different aspects of gardening and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.